let's go ahead and take a look inside. Have a nice walk up to the entrance, double doors. As we go to the left, we're going to go to the dining area and the kitchen. Here goes your living space. Huge living space here, right next to the kitchen. We'll go there in a moment. Then you have an additional family area. Set it up for your TV, what have you. Have this dining area over here, which from the dining area you can see the pool. Then we go here to the kitchen area. It's cozy, has everything you need. Then we go down here. Another view of the pool. Go outside in a little bit. And we have here, we have the laundry with cabinetry and a sink. So everything you need. Right across from it is a half bath, powder room. Then we're gonna go down this way and to see the bedrooms and the bonus rooms. We have 2 bonus rooms here. You could use it as a crafts room, for storage, or if you choose to open up this wall, you can convert that into a 4th bedroom. There's a bedroom here, its own closet space. Here goes bedroom number 2. Or if you're turning that into bath, here goes the full bathroom here. So as I said, you have 2 bedrooms here. You have these 2 bonus rooms you could convert into a bedroom. And then now we're going to the master. And the master is very nice. It actually has a separate area, which you could use as an office, meditation place, exercise area. Really have the freedom to do what you want with this particular space. Tray ceilings. And then master bathroom. Now, one thing, you have closets in here in the bedroom area, but then you have also a walk-in closet here in the bathroom. So plenty of closet space. You have a jetted tub, and also you have the shower. Cabinetry updated. So give me a call, 352-405-1037. The one thing I want to point out here, this cool little closet area that comes with 2 poles to be able to hang jackets or whatever comes to mind. So 352-405-1037. Give me a call, bring a friend, and let's envision you in this new home.